Hey, what's up, food lovers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving full on into a culinary concoction that's gonna blow your mind. We're talking about pizza fries. That's right. French fries smothered in all things pizza. It's like a pizza party and a fry fest had a delicious baby. Here's what you'll need for this creation. A bag of frozen fries, or make your own if you're feeling spunky. Pizza sauce, and store-bought or homemade. Mozzarella cheese, the gooier the better. Pepperoni, or your favorite toppings. Some Italian seasoning. And of course, fresh basil for that Instagrammable touch. First up, preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Ooh, we want these fries crispy. Now while that's heating up, I'm just gonna spread these fries out on a baking sheet. Make sure they're in a single layer. We're not trying to steam them into oblivion here, folks. Next, a little sprinkle of Italian seasoning. A generous pinch to bring out those pizza vibes. In they go. Set a timer for 20 minutes.
Meanwhile, let's get our toppings ready.
I've got my pizza sauce here. You can use your favorite brand, or if you're feeling fancy, whip up a quick homemade version. Seriously guys, pizza sauce is so easy. Just crush some tomatoes, add garlic, oregano, maybe a pinch of sugar. Boom, sauce on deck. And here's a little chef tip while the fries bake. Chop up some fresh basil. It adds that perfect pop of flavor and makes your dish look super fancy after 20 minutes. All right, our fries are looking golden and crispy. Let's make this magical. Grab your pizza sauce and smother those bad boys. Don't hold back. You want every fry coated in cheesy, saucy goodness. Now top it off with a healthy layer of mozzarella cheese. Like really pile it on there. Remember, the gooier, the better. And of course, I'm adding pepperoni because, well, pizza. You could totally customize this with whatever toppings you love. Mushrooms, olives, jalapenos, you do you. Back into the oven, they go for another 5-7 minutes until that cheese is all melty and bubbly. Excitedly, look at them. This gooey, cheesy pizza perfection is everything you ever wanted in a snack. And don't forget that fresh basil we chopped up earlier. Sprinkle that on top, and there you go. Your ultimate pizza fries are ready to be devoured. Can't wait to hear how you guys love this. See you next time.